DPF+DEF Delete Kit installation in Kubota M5-091 with V3800 engine. Locate the 2 NOx sensor plugs, the differential pressure sensor plug, and the 3 temperature sensor plugs. You will find the 2 first plugs closer to the cab. The 3rd temperature plug is located closer to the ACM module. Plug in the matching plugs from the emulator harness to the temperature and differential pressure sensors. Each wire in the harness from the kit is labeled with a description of where to plug it in. Unplug both NOx sensors and plug the wire from the emulator harness into one of them. Remove the cover of the ACM module. Unplug the DEF ACM module and leave it unplugged. Once the device is installed, you can move on to replacing the physical filter with the straight pipe. Unbolt the entire canister and replace the middle section with a straight pipe. You can reuse the old gaskets. A properly installed straight pipe should look like this.